Planning a big purchase and need a higher spending limit on your card. Or maybe you want to lower them for better security. If managing your card limits feels like a mystery, you're not alone. Today, we're taking control of your operating limits with Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Operating limits define the maximum amount you can spend, withdraw, or pay online in a given day. You can usually adjust these within a predefined maximum set by the bank. The control panel, your card settings. In the app, go to the section for your cards. Select the specific card you want to manage. Look for an option called Limits, Operating Limits, or Card Management. The adjustment, temporary or permanent. You'll see the current limits for ATM withdrawals, POS purchases, and online transactions. You can often increase or decrease them. Some banks also allow you to set a temporary increase for a specific period, which automatically reverts afterward. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Know the difference between your limit and your balance. Raising your card spending limit does not increase the money available in your account. It only allows you to spend a larger portion of your existing balance in a single day. Always check your account balance first. So, just like that, you're empowered to tailor your card's limits to your life. A little customization goes a long way in both flexibility and security. Now I'm curious, do you prefer to keep your limits low for security or high for flexibility? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.